and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing of my Boxy Charm. I received this Boxy Charm in November and I'm just now able to sit down and film this. Figured, is it even worth filming it? Like, people already got their Boxy Charm, but I'm gonna do it because this is gonna be an unboxing for me because I've yet to open this Boxy Charm. I've seen a couple of Instagram posts, so there are some things that I do know that's in here, but I have yet to open it, so I have no idea what to expect for this month's Boxy Charm. Figure I would film this, let you guys share the excitement and the surprise with me. Let's get started. So this month is obviously going to cater towards Thanksgiving or fall, so it is the theme of harvest, which who doesn't like a good harvest theme? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just jump in here, grab some products, do what I normally do, put the price on the screen, let you know how much it is, let you know how much the box costs, you know the whole drill. This box is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products of well-known, some indie brands, but they are high-end makeup products and full-size. Let me emphasize on full-size. You can cancel at any time, which I've done so, but you can cancel at any time. You can bring it back at any time. It's kind of like Netflix, where you can put it on pause and then bring it back. You could also skip a month, and you can go in and change, I think, a couple of products depending on your points. You can do that as well. If you guys want to see what they have in store, what shops you can shop at, and what products you can purchase, click on the link down below. I am not affiliated with them, but if you do sign up and use my link, I believe I do get a discount, or I get points where I can get some discounted stuff. So thank you to those who have signed up. I actually didn't realize because they didn't notify me, but I went in and I saw that somebody signed up with my link and I was like, oh my god, yay. This box is so worth it. Like I said, it's $25. How many times am I gonna say 25? I think I'm gonna say it 25 times, I don't know. But it's $25, and normally you get about 100 plus worth products, so you can't beat that. Ooh, double wrap. Ooh, I'm already excited. I just saw something that I did not know that was in the box. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's the box. Oh my god, look, it matches my shirt. Hey. First thing I saw that I got really excited about was Milk Makeup. You guys, I was hoping this was the Hydro Grip Primer. I talk about this in almost every video. It is so good. If you guys want to see how I got this look, check out the video before. It might be before or after, I'm not quite sure. But check that video out because that Hydro Grip is like my primer. My primer. This, which I also mentioned in that video, is the mascara that is my favorite mascara right now. Holy cow. So this mascara retails for $24. So pretty much this mascara, you done paid for the box. Next thing that I see is by Yensa, I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's a pumpkin turmeric. It's a 2-in-1 radiance polishing mask. Ooh, 8 super orange essence. Okay. Smooth a thin layer on clean, damp skin for 10 minutes. Gently massage in circular motions with warm water, then rinse clean. Use 3 to 4 times a week for superfood glow. Ooh, wow. So this retails for $45. You just purchased November and December's box with this. I'm gonna keep comparing because you know what? You cannot beat this. You cannot beat this. You open it up and see what it looks like. I've never heard of this brand. Have you guys heard of this brand? I've never heard of it. Okay, pumpkin turmeric. Now I heard turmeric is really good for you, but pumpkin turmeric. We're about to smell her. Let's see what she smells like. Oh, that smells. Ooh, that smells like harvest. It smells like fall. That smells so good. And look how much product you get. Next thing I see, which is actually the biggest thing in the box, and this is by Peach and Lily. This is the Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. Ooh, okay. It's a deep cleanse and soothe cleanser. Okay, it has chamomile and camilla. Ooh, nice and sleek packaging. Loves it. This retails for $28. Cleansing properly can be the difference between healthy skin and problematic prone skin. That's the truth. This gentle exfoliate-free cleanser contains no harmful ingredients, and keeps your skin barrier intact, so you can start your routine right with your skin that feels deeply cleansed, refreshed, and hydrated. I'm so excited for this, so we're saving that one for last. Now this one is, okay, what is this one? I will say I've never heard of this, but this is Alamar, which I love their blush duo. I love it. This is a long weary sticky pigment-based primer. I'm not one for eyeshadow primers. I actually use my concealer and that's it. But this is a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and make a maximum color and pearl dimension. It's water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue. So it's like a 2-in-1. Okay. Mix with your favorite concealer to customize the primer shade. That is actually pretty cool. So I'm assuming it's a light brown shade. So if you don't want something that light, like they said, just mix it with your concealer, which I don't think I've ever heard of something like that or thought to mix a primer, an eyeshadow primer with my concealer. So that's actually pretty cool. Oh, also this retails for $15. So the last thing in my box, which I saw on Instagram, I'm super excited, is a Tasha Denona Peak Palette. If you guys know that name, Tasha Denona, you know, homegirl, sis, queen, your products are pricey. For a decent size palette, like let's just say for maybe 12 to 20 eyeshadow palette, it is like $100 and some. I cannot justify paying that. I love makeup. Don't get me wrong. I love makeup, but girl, I know her shadows are bomb, but I just cannot justify paying that. So when I saw that we were getting a Tasha Denona palette in here, I was like, ah. The palette that I got looks like, first of all, I mean, let's just talk about this shade right here. The palette looks like this. Oh my god, look how beautiful this palette is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I like that it's magnetic. Ooh. I like that. This is the Peak eyeshadow palette. You get 5 shades. Hello. Like, these shades are wearable for any skin tone. Kudos to you, queen, sis. This retails, see what I mean? This is a 5 eyeshadow palette and this retails for $48. $48. 48. 48. 48. This is a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm toned eye pigments that she mixed with matches from her favorite palette. So these shadows all come from her favorite palettes, which I think is pretty fucking awesome. That's awesome. All recognized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas. Literally, let me just swatch one. Because people talk so much shit, like good shit about these palettes. I just want to see the pigmentation. Holy, there's that. We're just gonna I mean, swatches don't really justify a palette, but it's always nice to see. There's one right there. I'm really interested into seeing that orange shade. Look at that brown shade. Ooh, very creamy. They're very, very, very creamy. Yeah, this is the shade I'm interested in. Oh my god, look at that. Look at god. I have one more. I don't have hands for it. Let me use my thumb. Oh, this one's like, what is this? This is a different shade. I'm not too fond of that shade, but here are the shades. That one, and that one are going to be the ones I use the most. Look at that. Look at that. So pretty. Also forgot to mention, I got this coupon in the BoxyCharm, so this is 25% off of the entire Natasha Denona site. Ooh, that is so cool. I have until Christmas to use it. Who knows, girl? I might purchase one of your products. Alright guys, so that is it. Thank you so much for joining me in unboxing this very late, but very worth it, a BoxyCharm of November. If you guys want to sign up, don't forget to click the link down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below what your favorite product was or is if you have this box. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.